strategy is all about choices. It's all about alternatives. It's all about making different kind of assumptions. Now, why do you make these kind of assumptions? You make these assumptions because the end goal is to achieve the vision. We started with the vision, we want to get somewhere, we want to become something, we want to become number one, we want to become the leading company and all that. That's where the organization starts. You decide what you want to become. For example, if you don't decide that you want to become the fittest person on the earth, you will never become the fittest person. So, but the problem with strategy is that it also gives you multiple choices. Now, since there are multiple choices that you exercise as far as strategy is concerned, that becomes a question of what I call a strategic choice making by leaders. And it is a very important competence because this may make or mar with respect to whether you are going to achieve your objectives or your vision or not.